Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Kaya naman si Debat Batera, ang inyong pambansang Batera. Naanata karon sa ikaduhang hugno or part 2 sa atong suri-suri sa Sugbo. So, naami karon naka-check-in sa Ocean Breeze. So, hello. Yes, good morning. Hi, good morning. Yeah. We will be going to check out this morning. Yeah, it is okay or you will check the room first. Itong i-picture ang ilahang kuan, mo ni silang entrance. Then, mo ni sila ang ilang swimming pool. Napod ang ilang bar. So, after ani mo ato ta sa among room kundi ini nag kuan kundi ini nagstay. So, limpyo kayo ang ilahang area. Mo ni sa ilang kuan, ilang bar, ilang mini bar, ilang restroom. Naapod sila swimming pool. Then at the same time na sila pang bata pod nga swimming pool. So this area going ni siya ngadto sa dagat. So mo ni siya ang dagat diri nga area. So dira siya is mauna na siya ang Aboitiz Power Thermal Plant. Then mo ni siya ang iyang outside nga view. So nice kayo ang iyang view. So naa siya swimming pool, wala na namin nangaligo og swimming pool kay wala pod mi gadali na mi kay napod mi event ron. So na event after ani. So dalon ta kamo ngadto padung sa room kundi in mi ga kundi in mi nagstay. So mo ni siya ang ilang room padung diri kundi in mi nagstay. So located mi sa 5th sa taas. So, diri mi nagstay nga room. So dako pud ang ilang room, nalimot ko pag off sa kuan. So naa sila refrigerator, naa sila mini kitchen. So nice kit kayo sis. This is only 2,550 good for 3. So complete sila na cabinet, nice ilang muebles. And then this area makita nimo ang the whole swimming pool. So at the same time ang dagat. So makita nimo siya. So mo ni siya ilang total area. So this is an ocean view brace. So nice kayo ang ilahang kuan ang ilahang super nice with ang accommodation kay Antigua mismo mo response dayon kung naa kay kuan as an hotelier because before I am working also in hotel. So it's a very good communication if the manager or the owner can respond the needs of the guest. So it's a very important. So that is a very important. Then karon manglayas nami kay padung nami sa amo ang event. So mo check out nami. Padung nami og check out. Okay, kindly check my room first. So we will be going to check out this morning. Okay. Ay key card gibilin na nako sa room.
Asa mo, room 5?
4 room 5.
4 room 5?
5. Room 5. So, it's a very small entrance, but the most important is a very clean. And then it's a very kuampod ka nang sa nadali ra siya jud kaayo ma-access nimo siya kay along the road ra jud siya. Even though gamay ra gid siya nga gamay ra siya iyang area, but a very clean and at the same time it's a full of amenities. If you want to go here in Batu, Toledo City, you just try to select this resort because it's a very clean and then malinis siya talaga, tapos very accommodating yun din may mga ari. Kumbaga kagabi ho nagta-try lang kami to negotiate. So I think it's a wife of one of katuning ako. So, it's a very important, as I said, it's a very important since I am a hotelier before. So, it's a very important you have a very good uh, accommodating attitude to your guest. So, that is a very important. So, that is why I select this one because when I nung pumunta ako dito at ning ari ko diri magtagalog po tayo kasi iba-iba din natin ano. So I just proper to mix English, Tagalog, and Bisaya kay daghan man gud kay ta mga followers not only in Bisaya but at the same time meron din tayong mga Tagalog. So if merong pumunta dito at least meron sa mga information kung saan sila pumupunta. Mura lang kasi dito. Good for 3 nyo, how much?
Good for 2, maximum of 3 persons.
Good for 2, maximum of 3 person.
And then we have good for 4.
Good for 4.
3,540.
So, good for 4, 3,540
540.
is including breakfast. So, that is not bad. That is not bad because the ambience very nice. Okay. So mga kabatbatera, if you want to daghan kay diri nga resort so far gi usa na mo gabi so I'd rather to select this resort. So mga kabatbatera, see you on the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay na.